When I talk to clients about settlement money, I try to make it about an experience or an ability to do something. And when I was talking to this client, he said, look, the one thing I've always wanted to do is go to all the national parks in the country. And I said, well, are you going to do it? And he goes, if we get this much money, I'm going to be able to put the chunk of it aside for future medical bills and what I need to do to take care of myself. But then I'm going to use this portion. I'm going to get an RV and I'm going to do it. And I said, well, look, if you do it, you have to promise me one thing. He's like, what? And I said, if you do it, you have to send me a picture or at least a postcard, something from every national park you go to. And his name was John. I give John his settlement funds. We go through the whole thing. With some of his settlement money, he went and bought an RV. I say, hey, hope to hear from you soon. I don't hear from him for 6 or 9 months. I kid you not. He crossed my mind one morning. I was like, if I don't hear from him, I'm going to text him or something. And 2 days later, I get a postcard from some random national park I had never heard of. Flipped it over. I see, greetings from blah, blah, blah national park. And before I even flip it over, I know who this is. And I've gotten 17 of them now at this point, maybe 20 by now. They're all stacked up in my office.